This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding who you want to connect with and why. This focuses every choice that follows. Once done, write 6-8 short quiz questions that reveal personality or preferences, mixing multiple choice and one open-ended item. Make sure the quiz feels fun, not intrusive. Use casual tone. Next, design a clear cover image sized for Messenger previews so people stop scrolling. These first moves set the test's tone and conversion rate, so prioritize clarity and emotional pull. Now you assemble the quiz flow inside Messenger. Create quick reply buttons and emoji responses to reduce friction and keep pace. Map each result to 3-4 suggested next steps that invite conversation, like a shared playlist or a follow-up question. This explains how the quiz becomes a friendship starter. Once you have a prototype, test with 10 people and track completion percentage. Make sure to iterate on confusing questions and slow screens to improve engagement and increase meaningful replies. You launch to a small audience first and watch replies closely. This reveals conversational bottlenecks. Once people complete the quiz, send an automated, personalized follow-up within 24 hours that references a quiz answer and asks a simple next step question. Make sure to engage rather than broadcast. One-on-one messages build real rapport. If responses are low, shorten the quiz to 4 or 5 questions and simplify language. A key troubleshooting tip: if people stop mid-quiz, reduce choices and add an obvious CTA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.